Here in the Nedsbar Timber Sale planning area, looking at a proposed road development. The road sits above Lick Gulch in a small roadless area adjacent to the Dakubetede Roadless Area, and would access units 2720 and 2760. The black line there on the map is the proposed new road, which is over a mile, probably a mile and a half or more long. And here we are up on the slope in the roadless area, in the roadbed, looking at the area that would be bulldozed and developed into a road to access the timber within the roadless area on the north slope there. And this whole beautiful oak woodland and this roadless ridgeline would be roaded. There would be landings built, and this would be turned into a timber access road with permanent impacts. Currently, as you can see, pretty undisturbed habitat, very nice kind of oak woodland slopes, looking out across the mountains of the Siskiyou and the Applegate Valley. These red markers here mark the roadbed as proposed, and follow the new road construction from the currently decommissioned road below to this point here near the end of the road. And out here in the distance you can see the Dakubetede Roadless Area where the Sterling Ditch Trail runs. So a lot of this logging and road development would be visible from the Sterling Ditch Trail, which is a high use recreation site here on the Medford District, BLM, accessible within a half hour or 45 minutes or so of Medford and Ashland, and is proposed as an access route that would tie together Jacksonville and Ashland with on the Jackash Trail. So this would all be in the viewshed of that trail system, which is out in those grassy slopes in the distance.